Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some more Konkani sentences that will help you to learn Konkani. In this video I have put small sentences which you can use. So before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and keep following to learn Konkani. So let's begin with the video. You come here. तुम इधर आओ. तू हंगायो. तू हंगायो. तू means you, hanga means here. Yo means come. Listen to me. मेरी बात सुनो. मुझे ऐक. ऐक means listen. No, I don't want to listen to you. नहीं, मुझे तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुननी. ना, माका तुझे ऐकूंक नाका. Na means no. ऐकूंक नाका means don't want to listen. Put on the AC. AC लगाओ. AC lie. AC lie. Look what happened. क्या हुआ वो देखो. किते जाले ते पळय. किते जाले ते पळय. पळय means look. किते means what. किते जाले means what happened. I don't want to see. मुझे नहीं देखना. माका पळवंक नाका. माका पळवंक नाका. पळवंक नाका means don't want to see. Are you going out? तुम बाहर जा रहे हो. In Konkani we say तू बाहेर वयता. तू बाहेर वयता. तू means you. बाहेर वयता means going out. I will get that. मैं लेकर आता हूँ. हांव घेऊन येता. हांव घेऊन येता. हांव means I. घेऊन येता. घेऊन येता means get. Will get that. Eta means coming. Open the box. Box open करो. Box उक्तो कर. Box उक्तो कर. उक्तो means open. कर means do. What happened today? आज क्या हुआ. In Konkani we say आयज कितें जालें. आयज कितें जालें. आयज means today. कितें जालें means what happened. Who gave you this? ये तुम्हें किसने दिया. है तुका कोणे दिले. है तुका कोणे दिले. है means this. तुका means to you. कोणे दिले means who gave. I will go with them. मैं उनके साथ जाऊंगा. हांव तांचे वांगडा वयतलो. हांव तांचे वांगडा वयतलो. हांव means I. तांचे वांगडा means with them. वयतलो means will go. You saw him. तुमने देखा उसको. तुवें पळयलो तेका. तुवें पळयलो तेका. पळयलो means saw. Teka means to him. Don't be late. देर मत करो. Late करना का. Late करना का. Where did she go? वो कहाँ गई है. तें खंय गेला. तें खंय गेला. खंय means where. तें means she. It is mine. वो मेरा है. वो मेरा है. मुझे तें. मुझे तें. Where you kept the bedsheet? तुमने चद्दर कहाँ रखी है. In Konkani we say तुवें चादर खंय दवरला. तुवें चादर खंय दवरला. चादर means bedsheet. दवरला means kept. She don't listen. वो सुनती नहीं है. ते ऐकना. ते ऐकना. ऐकना means don't listen. He don't listen to me. वो मेरी बात सुनता नहीं है. तो मुझे ऐकना. तो मुझे ऐकना. She is still working. वो अभी तक काम कर रही है. वो अभी तक काम कर रही है. ते अजून काम करता. ते अजून काम करता. अजून means still. काम करता means working. काम means work. करता means doing. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like button and keep sharing. Thank you.